Welcome back to Learning English with Megan and David.
We're so glad you could join us today.
Hello and welcome to Learning English with Megan and David.
I'm Megan.
And I'm David.
We're so happy you're here today.
Really happy.
Today we're going to learn something really useful.
How to talk about your weekend in English.
This is something people ask all the time.
Every Monday at work, people ask about your weekend.
When you see friends, they ask about your weekend.
Even at the grocery store, people might ask.
So it's really important to know how to answer.
And don't worry, we'll keep it simple.
You don't need fancy English to answer this question.
Simple answers are perfect.
Short answers are natural.
You're gonna do great.
So let's start with the question.
The most common question is, what did you do this weekend?
Listen again. What did you do this weekend?
People ask this on Monday morning.
Or on Monday afternoon?
Try saying the question, what did you do this weekend?
Pause.
Good job.
Sometimes people ask it a different way.
They might say, how was your weekend?
That's another common question.
Try it. How was your weekend?
Pause.
Perfect.
Both questions mean the same thing.
They want to know what you did.
So how do you answer?
Let's learn some easy answers.
First answer, I stayed home.
That's it. Simple. I stayed home.
This is a very common answer.
Many people stay home on the weekend.
Try it. Say, I stayed home.
Pause. Perfect. This is a very normal answer.
You don't need to do something exciting every weekend.
Staying home is good.
Staying home is normal.
Next answer. I relaxed.
I relaxed.
This means you rested.
You didn't do much. You just took it easy.
Say it. I relaxed.
Pause.
Great job.
This is also very common.
People say this all the time.
Another answer, I watched TV.
This is very common. I watched TV.
Maybe you watched movies.
Maybe you watched shows.
Try it. I watched TV.
Pause. Excellent.
You can also say, I watched movies.
Or I watched shows.
All of these are good. Here's another one. I went out.
I went out. This means you left your house.
Maybe you went to a restaurant.
Maybe you went to a park.
Maybe you went shopping.
Say it. I went out.
Pause.
Good.
One more. I visited friends.
I visited friends. This means you spent time with friends.
Maybe you went to their house.
Or they came to your house.
Try it. I visited friends.
Pause. Wonderful.
You can also say, I visited family.
That means you spent time with family.
Try that one. I visited family.
Pause. Great.
So now you have 6 simple answers.
I stayed home.
I relaxed.
I watched TV.
I went out.
I visited friends.
I visited family.
These are all perfect answers.
You don't need to say more than this.
Short answers are good.
Short answers are natural.
Let me tell you something important.
Americans and English speakers love short answers.
You don't need to tell a long story.
Just a few words is perfect.
Now, let's practice with a real conversation.
I'll ask David about his weekend. Listen. Hi, David. What did you do this weekend?
I stayed home. I relaxed.
Nice. Sounds good.
Did you hear that? Very simple.
I asked the question.
David gave a short answer.
And that's perfect.
Let's hear another conversation.
What did you do this weekend, David?
I went out. I visited friends.
Oh, nice. That sounds fun.
See? Simple and natural.
You don't need to tell a big story.
Just a few words.
Now let's hear one more conversation.
Hey, Megan, how was your weekend?
It was good. I watched movies.
Oh, cool. What did you watch?
Just some old movies. It was relaxing.
Did you notice something?
I gave a short answer first.
Then David asked another question.
So I added a little more.
But the first answer was short. I watched movies.
That's the most important part.
Now let's practice together.
I'll ask you the question.
What did you do this weekend?
Now you answer. use one of the phrases we learned.
Pause. Great job. Did you answer?
Even if you just thought about it, that's good.
But try to say it out loud.
Speaking out loud helps you learn.
Let's try again. What did you do this weekend?
Answer again. Maybe use a different phrase this time.
Say it out loud.
Pause.
Excellent. You're doing so well.
Now I'll ask you. Hey, how was your weekend?
Answer out loud. Don't be shy.
Pause.
Perfect. You're speaking English right now.
That's amazing.
Now David will ask you one more time. So, what did you do this weekend?
Answer one more time.
Pause. Wonderful.
You're practicing real English.
This is how people really talk.
Let me share something with you.
When I first learned English, I was nervous about this question.
Me too.
I thought I needed to say something interesting.
But you don't.
Most people have boring weekends.
And that's okay.
I stayed home is a great answer.
I relaxed is a great answer.
You don't need to pretend your life is exciting.
Just be honest.
People appreciate honesty.
Let's review what we learned.
We learned the question, what did you do this weekend?
And how was your weekend?
We learned 6 simple answers. I stayed home.
I relaxed.
I watched TV.
I went out.
I visited friends.
I visited family.
These are all perfect answers.
You don't need to explain everything.
People will understand.
One more thing before we go to part 2.
Don't worry about grammar.
I know some of you are thinking about grammar right now.
Did I say it correctly? Is my grammar right?
Stop worrying about that.
The most important thing is communication.
If you say I stay home instead of I stayed home, people will understand.
Grammar is not the most important thing.
Communication is the most important thing.
So just speak.
Don't be afraid.
In part 2, we're going to learn something helpful.
How to add a little more detail to your answer.
Just a little bit. Nothing complicated.
And we'll talk about what to say when your weekend was boring.
Because that happens to everyone.
We'll also practice more conversations.
See you in part 2. You're doing great. Keep going.
We are proud of you.
Welcome back. This is part 2.
We're so happy you're still here.
Thank you for continuing with us.
In part 1, we learned how to answer, what did you do this weekend?
We learned 6 simple answers.
I stayed home. I relaxed. I watched TV.
I went out. I visited friends. I visited family.
Now let's add a little more detail.
Just a little. We'll keep it simple.
Sometimes people want to know a bit more.
Or maybe you want to say a bit more.
So you can add one more sentence.
Let's start with the word because.
This word helps you explain why.
Listen, I stayed home because I was tired.
That's a complete answer with detail.
Try it. Say, I stayed home because I was tired.
Pause.
Good. Here's another one.
I relaxed because I was busy last week.
Try it. I relaxed because I was busy last week.
Pause.
Nice work.
One more with because.
I stayed home because the weather was bad.
Try that one. I stayed home because the weather was bad.
Pause.
Perfect.
You can also say who you were with.
Listen, I went out with my family.
Or, I visited friends with my sister.
Or, I watched movies with my roommate.
Try this one. I went out with my family.
Pause.
Excellent.
Try another one. I visited friends with my wife.
Or, with my husband.
Pause.
Good job.
You can also add a time word.
Like on Saturday or on Sunday.
Listen, I went out on Saturday.
Or, I stayed home on Sunday.
Try it. I went out on Saturday.
Pause.
Perfect.
Try another. I relaxed on Sunday.
Pause.
Great! You can also say both days.
Like I stayed home both days.
This means Saturday and Sunday.
Try it. I stayed home both days.
Pause. Wonderful.
Now let's hear some real conversations with more detail.
Listen carefully.
What did you do this weekend?
I stayed home. I was really tired from work.
Yeah, me too. I just relaxed.
Did you hear that? Simple and natural.
I added, I was really tired from work.
That's a little detail.
But the main answer was I stayed home.
Here's another one.
What did you do this weekend, David?
I went out on Saturday. I visited friends.
Oh, nice. What did you do together?
We watched a movie and had dinner.
Cool.
See? We're just adding small details.
Nothing complicated.
Let's practice this together.
I'll ask you the question.
What did you do this weekend?
Answer with a simple answer and then add one detail.
Use because or with or a time word.
Pause.
Great job.
Let's try again.
How was your weekend? What did you do?
Answer again with more detail.
Pause. Excellent work.
One more practice.
Hi, how was your weekend?
Answer one more time.
Pause.
Perfect.
You're having real conversations in English.
You should feel proud.
Now, let me tell you about something that happens in real life.
Sometimes people don't really want to know about your weekend.
They're just being polite.
So a short answer is perfect.
They ask, how was your weekend?
You say, good, I relaxed.
And that's enough,
You don't need to tell them everything.
unless they ask more questions.
If they ask more questions, then they really want to know.
But if they just say, how was your weekend, keep your answer short.
That's the natural way.
Let's review everything from part 1 and part 2.
The question is, what did you do this weekend?
Or, how was your weekend?
Simple answers are, I stayed home, I relaxed, I watched TV.
I went out, I visited friends, I visited family.
You can add detail with because.
Like, I stayed home because I was tired.
You can say who you were with.
Like, I went out with my family.
You can add a time.
Like, I relaxed on Sunday.
And if your weekend was boring, you can say nothing special or not much.
All of these answers are perfect.
People use these every day.
This is real English.
Let's do one final practice conversation.
This is your last practice for today.
I'll ask you about your weekend.
You give me a complete answer.
Start with the simple answer, then add one detail if you want.
Ready? Hey, good to see you. What did you do this weekend?
Answer now. Take your time.
Pause. Excellent. That was really good.
Did you answer out loud?
If you did, that's wonderful. If you didn't, try one more time. What did you do this weekend?
Pause.
Perfect.
Now here's your challenge.
This week, practice answering this question out loud.
Even if you're alone,
Think about your weekend and say your answer in English.
do this every week.
Every Monday, practice saying what you did.
The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Soon, it will feel natural.
You won't have to think about it.
The words will just come.
And remember something important.
Making mistakes is okay.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Even native English speakers make mistakes.
The important thing is to keep speaking.
Keep practicing.
You're doing amazing.
We believe in you.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Keep practicing.
You're doing great.
Really great.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Please subscribe to the channel.
See you next time.